Hi guys, in this video we gonna create background CSS with Matrix3D. So starting with HTML, add div, and name it. I'm gonna name it black square. Okay, this is our div. Let's go to CSS and style it. Call black square that we created in HTML. First add content empty. Add position, top, left, transform, and add background. And box shadow. I'm gonna speed up video to create box shadow. Okay, this is our box shadow. Now let me add width and height. Okay, little border radius. And we create it. Now let's use Matrix3D. Best way to use Matrix3D is using inspect. So go in inspect and add Matrix3D. After translate. Okay, you can see, we have a lot number. Every number have something to do in our box. Just try to play it and have fun to create your own custom background. In fourth number, I'm gonna add my number. That I create my own background, and don't try to add big number, because you will get error. Be careful, Matrix3D is need nice width and height to create what you want. Okay, you can see I add this number and we get this. And now let me add this. Here we go. And last number is scale, which can resize your model background. Here we go. We create this. Now you can see. If I add more box shadow, it become 10 times better with light. And if you don't like it, try to add rotate or change width and height after finish your own background. Don't forget to add Matrix3D in your verses code. Okay, this is our Matrix3D. Hope you guys love it and learn to use it. I have 3 more background, if you like it. You can watch my full video of create responsive website. Check out, you gonna love it. And next video, I'm gonna create this background. Don't forget to subscribe guys, because we're gonna create a lot of more like this. And please add comment if you need anything. Thanks for watching. Bye.